Hello, everyone. My name is VR. Of course. I don't know if this is loading, but as you can see, I'm playing Mangle's Revenge. It's gonna be hard to record because I'm gonna have to keep restarting it so that I can actually get a video uploaded. Yeah, I haven't uploaded in a long time, but one of my friends is helping me do YouTube stuff. So yeah, I have to stop the video right now so that
Oh my gosh.
Alright.
Hey. Yo.
Oh my. Mrs. Mangle.
Yo. Wait. Is it Freeba?
Mrs.
Oh, God. Dang it. Of course it's
I've
Freeba.
only played this game once and
Why am I right-handed?
Hey guys!
Alright, boom. That's better. Left hand.
this game's so
I played
scary.
this before,
got something in my
I-
eye.
and it's not scary.
I
It had
literally
me sweating.
but
Hey, yo, man.
need some good scary content.
Yo, this is scary, man. Here's something. Oh, crap! Oh!
It's okay! They can't go through the vents. They can't come through the vents.
Man? Oh, cool. Wait. You sure they can't?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see him right there. Yeah, those team members getting murdered right now. Ugh. Okay.
Oh, wait! Go! Please.
Go where?
Come on. We are,
He says that they can't get us in the vents. I'm just saying here.
no, they can't crawl through the vents. But if you get too close, you get jump scared.
Yeah, so exactly. I'm saying in the
Hi guys.
vents.
Don't
Hey,
stay in the
it's safe.
vents.
I
He
think
can
it's safe.
go through the vents. He can go through the vents.
Wait, I thought you just said he
probably don't
couldn't.
wanna camp. He can.
Isn't Mangle a female?
What?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you lied to me?
Mango's gender is yes.
Mango does not have a gender. He's a robot. No, well, it's a robot. Man. You're confused.
But you can call her.
Yeah, there's no way to
It's
put it.
kind of like a she. Who can put nightmare mode? Who can
I'm not
put
putting.
nightmare mode?
Bro, please don't put nightmare mode.
Nightmare mode. No.
Put
It's
nightmare
already
mode.
a
Come on,
nightmare.
gotta scare the little kids. Hi Mangle. Mangle,
Huh?
come
I
here.
just
Why is it
saw
getting
it.
close
I
to
saw
it?
Mangle.
Got that. Yeah, Mangle. Yeah.
I'm trying to stay far
Damn.
away from.
Yeah! Level
got that
3, yeah,
yacht.
bro. Nah, that's not a level
Ah.
3.
Rare
It's a
level
level
He got
3.
that
4.
gat.
Yo,
Go smack it. Go
disgusting.
smack
It's
it.
a level
Go smack
4.
it. Go smack it.
I'm
He
not
got that
smacking
gat.
that.
Hey
Yeah,
yo,
go smack it.
can I smack your booty? Yo, let me smack your booty. Let me
I
smack
hope
it, bro.
we die.
Nah, he don't want me to smack it. Yo, Mangle! Hey, yo!
Wait, did you just turn around? Oh.
That just turned me on.
Whoa. He
Move!
does what? Oh, man.
Oh, lordy lord! Oh, lordy!
Boom.
Who got British
That's
food?
1 out of 5 Blakers. Wait, you hear that? It's coming. Oh, wait.
Oh, shit!
Whoa. What happened?
No, mommy. No. Oh. No, mommy. I'm so scared. Hey! Come on.
You're not.
Yo,
Hitler.
scary.
2 out of 5. Let's go. Let's go.
It's me, bro. I'm back from
Yay.
the dead, bro.
Wrap it up.
Bro, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I actually don't. I'm not going that way. I'm not going that way.
Wait,
That
I'm
shit,
gonna
I'm
do-
out.
Why are we splitting up?
I don't know. Let's stay together. Let's stay together.
Alright,
but I'm
guys.
very-
Since y'all are
We
scary,
just
and I'm
Scooby-Doo. We
and
can't
because
split-
I'm
we can't
Adolf,
split up.
and because I'm Adolf
Wait,
Hitler,
what?
y'all should follow me, bro. I
Alright.
got y'all. Come on, let's go.
No, it shouldn't.
Alright. Hey, yo, should I target someone?
Guys,
Should I
if you
target
want, you
someone
can go
right
in the vents.
I think she's coming.
You can go in the vents if you want.
Hey, should I
No,
target
I-
someone?
I'm curling.
Tight
I'm
squeeze.
curling. I'm
Guys,
curling.
should I target someone? Should I target
Going.
someone?
Wait, that's he's over there. It's over
Hey,
there.
I think I just saw
No,
it.
it's not. No, it's not.
Oh.
We're good. We're good.
It's just, I thought I just saw it too.
Go!
Put nightmare mode. Somebody that has nightmare mode, put nightmare mode on. Who has nightmare mode? It's way funner.
Is my mic on?
What do you
I
mean
bet.
way funny? It's way scarier. That's what you mean.
Yeah, it's way scarier. It's way too
Scary does not
Ah,
equal fun.
yeah.
This way.
No, but it's fun. I think it's light work. It's
Light
kinda
work?
light work, but
What?
That way.
Oh, I think I hear something.
yeah, I just saw it go the other way. I think.
Oh, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do this.
Wait, is it running?
Hey, yo, skibidi.
Oh shit! Oh shit! No!
It's okay, bro! Ah! What is this?
Oh shit! No! He's coming!
Okay, I think we're good, bro.
We're good.
I'm going to fast as I can. Itchy pretty! Itchy pretty! A skibidi toilet or creeper? Go back! Go!
Hey! I heard that! Someone! Where are you? Ah! Someone! Hello, can anybody hear me?
Oh,
Hello?
oh god.
Hello?
Oh my god, man.
Yes!
He's coming!
Y'all got scared.
Okay.
Alright, you good, bro? Alright, come on, let's get at the same time.
I hate this.
I escaped. I survived.
Shut your goofy ass up!
I survived.
Let's
I
try
was
this
the- I
again.
think I was the only survivor.
No, it resets.
I'm black.
It reset. Ah.
Damn it.
I'm gonna catch Mangle knacking.
I'm actually don't want to do
Okay, that was me, bro. This is me. So,
Go! Go!
Wait, what? Bye.
Go in the vents! Go in the vents! In the vents! In the vents! In the vents! In the
Wait,
vents!
he's coming? Oh crap! Oh, I hear it! I hear it! Oh, get it! Get it! Go,
I escaped! I escaped!
Where are you guys?
We're the only ones. Oh,
the other way.
I escaped!
Okay, this game might actually be kind of fun. Probably because of skill.
Run the other way.
Oh, run! Run! Run!
Run!
Hook up.
I don't know which way to go. I don't want to be in front. I don't want to be in front.
Yo, I can see that.
Get in! Get in!
Run! Oh god! No!
Hey, wait!
Everybody else on the other side of that vent probably screwed.
what's that thing?
And we're back at base 1. Why is it so
We're oh, Blake.
This game is too scary. This game is actually generally too scary. I don't know.
You're gonna get me killed, goofy.
No! No!
I can't have any run this. I'm running.
What?
Oh shit! I hear this.
What?
I show me.
Once again. Well, get out the way.
Oh my gosh. Damn it, how much is nightmare mode? 500. Ah. What do you mean, like, okay. That was scary.
Oh shit!
What the? You know what? I'm out.
I hate you.
Did you get killed in the vent?
Where's the guy at?
Oh! Yo! I heard it scream. I heard it scream.
I didn't pray today, guys. I didn't pray today.
You didn't pray today?
Alright, then play.
Yo, I'm back.
I mean,
Oh
we have, like,
no!
oh,
You
tower
did that, huh?
shut
You
off.
did that, huh?
Oh,
That was you.
ha.
No.
Oh, man. Oh, what's
Nightmare
you?
mode, please. Activate nightmare mode.
No, I'm not gonna
Wait,
activate
do
it.
not put on that remote. Do not.
Do nightmare mode. You want? Too scared. Too scared. Too scared. Too scared.
Yes, I'm too scared.
Hey, wait! Where do we go?
Oh crap! Put on nightmare mode. You want?
Go.
Is that you? Are you still there? Are you still there? Are you still there?
Oh!
Fuck that.
Screw that.
That's my cue to go. That's my cue to go.
Who's crying? This is.
I don't want to die.
Woo!
Okay, good.
Dang. 300 rec tokens just for that.
Anything.
No! Go! Get in the fence!
No, I don't want to die today.
Get the fuck out of here! Get the hell out of here! Follow me if you want to live. Follow me if you want to live. I've been surviving for who knows long. I haven't died a single time.
Me neither. Do you want to die or no?
No, I don't want to die.
Yo.
Please don't. Please don't.
Alright,
Please don't.
who? Me? What did I do?
Wait,
Stupid
somebody
monkey.
got targeted?
You're Hitler. Yeah,
Wait.
that was me. So you might
Why
wanna move a
Then
little.
Get out of here.
Just move
Get
a
out
little.
of here.
Move a little. Move a little.
Why are you still here? Run!
Because I don't know what change is coming.
Move.
Did you pray it?
Goodbye!
Get your ass out of here and keep running!
Give me a
Oh, I need a flashlight. Hey man, I need
one
a
of you.
flashlight. Can you
Give me a
give me a
flashlight.
flashlight? I need a
Here,
flashlight.
here.
Give me a
I
flashlight.
need a flashlight.
Well, give me a flashlight. Give it to me.
Hey, I'll get you one whenever somebody dies. Okay, I'll give you one whenever somebody dies. Alright? Got you. Done.
Whoa!
Hello, community. Hello. Wait, did you survive? Hitler, did you survive? Hitler, did you
No,
survive?
he killed me.
Okay, good.
Ooh, nightmare mode. Who activated nightmare mode?
What?
It's not nightmare mode.
Why'd you activate it? Oh!
No! Let me.
Oh, nightmare mode.
crap. Where is mine?
Nightmare mode!
Nightmare mode.
Move, Betty's.
Oh, my goosebumps are out. Oh, crap. Okay, then God can run fast.
My first
Where
nightmare.
is everyone?
Hey! Hey!
me.
Where are my flashlights? Give me a flashlight.
Yeah, man. Sorry.
Why? Today, man. Okay, run.
No, go! Go fast, listen!
My flashlight, what the heck?
What's the light?
Where's my flashlight at? I'm gonna drink my
Give
thing.
me a
I'm
flashlight.
thirsty.
Give it to
Hang
me.
on, I need one. I need
Give me
a flashlight.
Give me a flashlight. Thank you. No.
Alright, who's
Julian.
never been killed before? Who's never been killed before? I'm gonna kill the
I've been
person that's never
killed.
been killed before.
Many times.
Yo, guys, get over here.
I've
Guys,
been
this
killed.
way. Guys, this way. Guys, this way. This
Wait,
way.
have you ever been killed? It's going for me! Anything for a flashlight?
Yo, guys, I need a flashlight. Who has an extra spare?
Wait,
Who has a spare
wait, have you-
flashlight?
wait.
Who has a spare?
Blue guy,
who has a
blue
spare
guy,
flashlight?
blue guy.
You have a spare flashlight?
Wait, hey,
You got a spare
have you ever
flashlight? I don't
been-
have one.
Have you ever been
I don't
killed?
have one. I don't
you ever
have
been
one.
killed?
I already died. I already died like 7 times. I died like 7 times.
Grandpa?
Oh, I need a first flashlight.
Hey, Grandpa. Grandpa,
I hear it.
I think you've been alive a little bit too long.
I can see
Don't sound
Not
like
that
that.
Oh god,
Shit.
he's coming. Shit,
It's not a shoe, it's a robot.
Bro, don't you dare, man.
It can.
It can.
Yeah.
That's how I died. Don't go through the vent.
Where's
Wasn't planning on it.
Yo, is she?
Where's Grandpa?
tripping us?
Gra. The rules. And we play tag.
Shut your goofy ass.
Oh, dang. That's really rude of you.
Anyway.
Bro, I'm telling you.
Eyes you could see. Where'd it go? No one. Oh, they're hiding.
I am so
It's
sweaty.
in the kitchen. It's in the kitchen. It's in the kitchen. It's in the kitchen. I just watched through my friends just disintegrate mid-air.
Oh god, he's gonna come over
Dude, no,
here.
that animation
Wait,
is
who's
crazy.
Sylvie?
Get full
Who's
like
Syl-
snatch them out of the air.
Who's Sylvan?
Yo, by the way, it can go through the vent, so do not hide in the vent.
Are you serious?
That's how I died.
Who's Sylvan?
Yo, they're
We're being
just going in
serious.
the kitchen. They're gonna bring it out here. They're gonna bring it out here. Bro, I'm so hungry, but who has some?
Who's Sylvan? Hey, are you Sylvan?
You didn't spawn food?
That's so mean.
My fake,
Not
my
coming first.
fake avatar. My
Yo,
fake
no.
avatar.
No, don't
has
cry.
the-
Don't cry.
It's
Don't
coming,
cry.
it's coming.
You'll be okay.
Hey
coming?
guys, hey guys, someone targeted me and I'm gonna stay with you guys now.
Are you crying?
Yep,
I'm broke.
someone
Oh,
targeted me and I'm gonna
Why?
stay with you now. Oh, go.
Horrible.
Oh my gosh, I gotta go to it! Oh, bear!
Me? Why me? It's because I'm white. Oh, never mind.
Other way, other way, other way, other way, other way.
What?
I'm a
Hey,
troll.
where'd you get food from? Hey, bruh. Hey, bruh. Who spawned that? Who spawned that? Give me some.
Hey, I'm gonna throw a
Let me
beer.
waterfall, let me
I'm gonna throw beer at Mangle. I'm gonna throw a beer at Mangle.
Where's Mangle at? Go!
Throw this at her. I'm gonna throw this at her.
Okay, come on, guys. We're safe.
I'm gonna throw.
We're safe. We're
I'm
safe.
gonna throw beer at her. I'm gonna throw beer at Mangle. Wait! Where'd it go?
I think she got mad.
Where's my beer
My
go?
fellow brothers and sisters.
Fine, we're not fine.
We're not fine! We're not fine at all.
Hey.
It's not coming on. It's not coming for us.
What up?
It's not coming
Can I
for us.
add you?
We're good.
Yo.
Guys, I
Me?
think I'm just
Sure.
guys, I think I'm just immune to Mango now. I'm not gonna lie.
You are?
She was like right in
Not
front of
gonna
me.
I want
Alright, so let's get these generators so we can go in and get up out of here,
It's
bro. I'm
scary.
mad scared right now.
Well, it's
so I
not
wanna
that
go-
scary. Honestly, it's not that
Okay.
scary.
Cause I got like, I can't find a single incomplete generator, so I think I
Let's go.
Alright.
I'm trying to get up out of here.
It goes. And we ain't playing tag.
I am your noble leader, because I am Adolf Hitler.
Nope.
Boy,
Under her net and voided her.
I just saw a generator, man. I could have got to it. Oh, get out of the way. Come on.
It can go through vents.
Oh no.
It goes through vents.
Yeah, I'm just immune to her now. I'm just immune to her now. I can't die.
Right? You got that 2,092 feet.
Out of the way.
They don't have to go. Wait, can they kill us? Yo, let's all party up so we can go to a private so the server can be reset. We're all going to a private Mango's Revenge. Hey, everybody party up.
So I got that.
Private Mango's Revenge, like it's all broken.
Alright, I got that skibidi riz, bro. I got that skibidi riz.
Y'all better get in.
Hey, everybody party up with me. We're going to a private Mango's Revenge because this one's...
Never mind. Get down. Never mind.
Then never
You
mind.
see, I didn't die. I didn't die, bro. I'm just immune to her. It's because I risked her up, bro. It's because I risked Mango up, and now she doesn't want to kill me, bro.
Scrapping.
Oh God, I got that skibidi riz,
I'm
bro. I
reporting
got
this
that
guy
skibidi.
saying skibbity riz.
Shut
your goofy ass up.
That's crazy, bro. Tell me, that's crazy.
Dude.
Alright, guys,
You
come
guys
on,
know
let's
you're
get
gonna
these
die in
generators.
the
Get up out of that
vents,
bed.
right?
That's fine.
Yeah, you guys know kill you in here, right? You guys know the extra kill you in the vents, right?
Everybody know the vents in the generator. We gotta go somewhere else, okay? We gotta find the
Skibidi toilet. Wait. Skibidi toilet a creeper. Yes. Skibidi toilet. Skibidi toilet.
Mango.
Skibidi toilet.
Skibbity whiz.
What's your name? What's your name?
I am part of the plan.
Mango.
Good. Oh shoot.
Nope. Nope. Huh. Where's Mango?
Where is that generator?
I'm not scared of Mango. I'm not scared of you, Mango.
Get away from me! Get away from me! Wait, have to give me that bit. Ah, get away from me! Ah!
I'm not scared of.
He's still being targeted, I'm pretty sure.
Pray today! Did you pray today?
Did you pray today? Did you pray today? Did you pray today? Cause if you
You! Guy!
did,
Person! Blue in his shirt, blue shirt, whatever. What did you get after getting I would have...
Nothing.
5.
You damn
I got all
liar!
5 generators and I got nothing.
You damn liar!
Wait. Whoa, 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 whoa,
Yo, guys, welcome back to. We're playing. I mean, no, I'm not. I am not scared of it. Oh no! Oh no! Why me? Oh.
Other way.
Around the world.
Yo.
Party here.
Did you do that?
What's up, Busties?
Because the dude's being targeted and he keeps bringing it towards us. Where are you, bro? I was like, remember, we're not. You better stop me.
Go!
Bless you.
You look rich.
Sorry, Mr.
Thank
Grandpa.
you.
Where is it?
I'm not that rich.
Sorry,
I only
Grandpa.
have-
I'm not
I
scared.
only have 5,061 total.
Me neither.
I'm not scared.
I don't know what I did. I did bring the monster like 17 times to them.
Oh, that's okay. That's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. But like, that's the whole point of the game.
Alright, that's
I'm gonna
Jimmy.
go find him.
I'm tired.
Wait, the location.
I'm not going.